What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So, I said I wasn't going to do any sales, but I'm going to do a sale for today only. Anybody that signs up for credit repair, I'm knocking $100 off the startup fee. So, if you sign up for the basic credit repair, instead of $200 to start, it is $100 to start. If you want to sign up for the 90-day program, the money back guarantee, it is normally $300 to start, but if you sign up today, it is $200. Anybody that's interested, you can call, text, or email me. If anybody has any questions, let me know. I'll leave a link in the description to my website. All you got to do is go on there, click on sign up for credit repair. If you don't have credit monitoring, you can get My Free Score Now, which is the absolute best option for the software I use. Also, there's a link for Smart Credit if you want to save money. That one is the cheapest one. It is $19.95 a month. Hope y'all have a great day.